Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. Okay, let's get into this haul. I got a TEMU haul. This is part 2 of my 50 items in total. So if you haven't seen the first part, this is a thumbnail. Go watch that. It's already on my channel. This one is going to be all clothing. I think it's all clothing and some accessories. I don't remember, but it's mostly clothing. If you want to see what I got from TEMU with some really cute clothings and one shoe, just one shoe pair of shoes. Isn't that weird? We call them pairs of shoes even though it's just one. Anyways, so let's go ahead and tune into that video. I already dug into this because I wore this top the other night for a date night. It smells like my perfume. It smells really good. This is such a cute shirt and I think I looked so good in it. So this is this really pretty cream colored top. It is super really pretty ribbed material. Look at this, and it stretches. Like literally so many different sizes can wear this. I think I got this in a large. Yeah, this is a large. It is actually inside out, but it has a really pretty cute detailing on the neck. It is a high neck tank in a really pretty cream color. Oh, I know I also got like coupons and stuff, but I'm pretty sure you guys don't know about that stuff. If you don't, go watch my first video where I explain everything on there. All my links will be linked down below if you ever need any information. Everything will be down there. This was $5.19. I thought it was so freaking cute, and let's go try it on. Okay, this one I already wore the other day, but like look at how cute this looks. Look at how cute this one is. This one's adorable. This is super cropped. So you do need to wear something super high-waisted. This is the back of it. I think it's adorable. It's super stretchy, like very stretchy. And I think it's just a really pretty color, very nice material. I think it's cute. I really like it. I think it's cute. I did get this green top. I think I also got it in a large. This is a contrast trim crop top Tammy Y2K on the long. Well, I'll leave the link down below, but look at how pretty this is. Really digging greens this year, and I never like, I love green, I always have, but I've never like worn so much green as I have this year, and I don't know why. Last year was like all brown and purples. This year's I'm all like green, orange, and pink. That's all I want to wear, even though I'm still wearing brown. It has a white stripe down the middle. It is a little see-through, but I'm wearing my good nipple covers right now, so we are going to be good. And yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. So this is the green one. I really like this one, like a lot. Let me know what you think. I think it looks super freaking cute. Look at how cute this is, and how inexpensive was this. This is freaking adorable. This is adorable. I love this. Let me know what you think down below. You can barely see my nipple covers, so it's really good. It's so freaking cute. I love this. Okay, I got some shoes because my slippers are already dirty and disgusting. I have the smiley ones from Amazon. These are Bad Bunny slippers. They have Bad Bunny and Karl G items, okay? I got last time I got a Bad Bunny keychain. Good quality. This stuff is good quality. And these were super inexpensive. I think my slippers, they're literally the same exact slippers. They're super like hard at the bottom. Like look, they're hard, okay? So you can walk around outside. They're not the flimsy material. They're actually like decently weighted and super cute. And I think I got mine for like $20 on Amazon, okay? Same exact slippers, except mine had a smiley face. Literally same material, same color, same inside, same outside. Exactly. It's probably the same manufacturer, honestly. They just sent it to 2 different places. And these were, where are the slippers? $9.28, and I got mine on Amazon for $20, okay? For $20, look at how cute they are. Do you see them? They're so freaking cute. Okay. They fit perfectly, true to size. I got them in a 8 and actually they're small because I am a size 7.5. I do fit into 8s at times, depending on the shoe. And these are 8.5 and 9s. I have heard from a lot of customers on Temu or the reviews to always size up in the shoes. So that's what I did. I got 8.5, 9. So if you do get these, go up one size. But look at how pretty the little hearts are, and that's what I got. I also got this white tank because surprisingly, I love wearing color white, and I don't have a lot of white clothes. I have a lot of brown clothes. Last year I was on a crazy rampage just buying all brown clothes, and I was like, why don't I have any pretty whites? But this is just a really pretty, very low scoop tank. It has a really pretty design like on the breast area. It makes it very interesting, and it is super stretchy, and I believe this was inexpensive as well. $6.19. One of the pricier items, but I think this is a really good quality for being Temu, like really good quality. So let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so here is the white top. This is from Temu, and I think it's super cute. I do like the detail in the shirt. I think my boobs are a little low, so I think I need some boob tape to like put them up, but I think it's really cute. This is the back of it. It's super comfy, super stretchy. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let's go to the next item. I thought this was gonna be super fluffy because on the picture it looks super fluffy for some reason, and on here it does not look that fluffy, but I think it's still cute. I think it's still cute. This is a heart bag, and I got it for $2.58, and sometimes Temu like lowers the prices, and right now it's $1.88. If you buy stuff on Temu and then for some reason it drops, you can always request a price adjustment later. And I believe I just found it actually on my thing, because a lot of the things are a lot cheaper than when I got them originally, like $1, $2. So I can get back $10.13. That is pretty cool. And then you can have it as a balance later on. So I'm actually gonna submit my price adjustment and get my balance. And now I can get $10 added to my wallet. It's pretty cool. So this is basically just a heart-shaped fluffy bag. I thought it was gonna be so cute. So cute. It is very, like the zipper is very tiny. Ooh, it has a green lining on the inside. That's cool. And it's super tiny. This is literally just like for your phone, maybe your keys, a lipstick, and that's it. Like it is super tiny, but it's adorable. Like this is like if you're going on a date night or you're going like to a party or something. There we go. That's the pink heart. Look at how pretty and cute it is. It is adorable. It's so cute. Wear it around and it's adorable. It's cute. I really like it actually. I think it's really pretty. And see how fluffy it is. Super cute. And it was like $1. Then I got a PJ set. So when I stay with my boyfriend, he washes my clothes, and his washer has been his dryer has been literally ripping apart my shirts because these little things get stuck and I don't know, something about the dusters being stuck, and then they just twist and then they rip off. So I'm like, I need new PJs when I stay over. And look at how freaking cute this is. It's coffee and donuts. This is so me, the coffee. Well, not necessarily the donuts, but the coffee. That is so freaking cute. And I think I got this in an extra large, 1XL. This is a 1XL. I did size up 2 sizes. I'm usually a large, extra large, but I did size up. Well, first of all, I like PJs to feel a little bit looser. I was reading some of the reviews and they are a little small. So look at how freaking cute. And then the bottoms, oh, these feel really, this material doesn't feel that nice, but this material feels super nice. Oh yeah, this is why I got a 1XL, was to stretch out so I don't feel so uncomfortable. These are just really cute coffee bottoms. Look at how freaking cute this is. Oh my god, this is adorable. It says I love coffee. This is a cute pair. $7.64. So go to Temu and get your PJs. Now this is super comfy too. They get to the perfect length. I love how high-waisted they are. Honestly, the shirt is a little small for it being 2XL. I think it was 2XL or 1XL. It's super tiny, but I can live with this. Like I mean, I'm going to sleep back of it. There's the back of it. I think it's super cute. Super cute PJs. They're adorable. I love them. Let me know what you think. I got 2 more things. This I'm so excited for. This is a loose highlighter. Last time I opened this, I did peek in this because I thought it was really cool. It literally shattered all over me. So you see how dirty it is? See that? It's because the highlighter literally went all over me and I'm afraid to open it. And it just like goes everywhere like that. Good thing it landed on the floor, not on my pants. And when it landed on my pants last time, I couldn't do anything. Oh! Okay, that's a lot. Hold on. Really pretty pink gold. I actually really like this color a lot, especially for my skin tone, because my skin tone is more on the pink side. And you may think, because sometimes I wear some like pale pink clothes and it looks like it just blends into my body. If I wear nude clothes, it doesn't blend in, but if I wear pink clothes, it blends in, which is so weird. The camera does wonders to me because I have a pink background, so I look a little more tan. My trick is to look more tan is to have a pink background. But if you would see me in real life and if I would wear pink, I would blend it, like blend into the colors or to the clothing. But yeah, it's really pretty pink highlighter just all over the body. And the thing that I'm most excited for is this. I just thought this cardigan was so adorable, and it comes with a crop top. So this really pretty cardigan, look at how beautiful this cardigan is. It has so much details to it. It's really, really pretty green cardigan. Oh, perfect for the summer with this color. And then it has a green crop top, so you can even wear it as a set. It comes together with this really pretty green crop top with all the stitching, the pretty white flowers and then green stitching on it. And I just thought this was so adorable. Even just wear literally like this shirt alone with some jeans, or to wear it together as a set. Pretty adorable. Pretty sure this was the most expensive thing I got in the whole haul, and this was $19.69. And you know what, this is quality. Like, this is in the size large, and I could feel the quality, the stitching, everything looks so good. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. It is more like balloon shape on the ends. It is so pretty. The buttons look quality. Like, everything looks really good. Like, there's not one thing out of Y'all, is Temu buying Shein and then pricing it up? Or are they from the same manufacturers? I thought Shein was... Y'all, I literally thought that Shein just did like a whole lawsuit against them because they're using like their same pictures and everything. Are they the same company? Did we just discover something? Or I do know that like Temu has like companies, you know, kind of like Amazon, how there's like resellers on there, and I know that some of them do resell. I wonder if this is like a reseller and they're just like, here you go, and it's actually from Shein. Like, was supposed to go to Shein, but maybe it didn't do well and now it's doing well on Temu. Did we discover something? Oh my god, I think we discovered something. I really think we did. Holy crap, what does this mean? Does this mean that everything Temu is Shein? Okay, and if that is true, then just go to Temu, because Temu is literally so much cheaper than Shein. Let's go try this on. Okay, so this is the Shein top. It is super crop top. You guys, this is the Shein top, but it's supposed to be Temu, but it's actually Shein. I'm very confused. I really like the color and I like the fit of it. This is perfect for the summer to go out. You can wear some blue jeans. I think it'd be really pretty. It's really pretty knitted green with the white flowers. Can you believe, guys, this literally says Shein on it and it's from Temu. Like, I still cannot believe that. I'm just trying to undo these buttons and they're taking forever. This is with the cardigan. Oh, I love this set. I think it's adorable. Look at how pretty this is. This is so cute. This is adorable. Like, literally, this is adorable. Look at this. Look at how cute this is. Look how cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this one. This one makes me happy. It makes me happy. Even though it's Shein, it makes me happy. Hey guys, and that was my Temu haul. What did you think of this crazy discovery that we just made with Shein and Temu? It still blows my mind. I don't know what to think, so please leave me all your comments down below in the description box. What do you think of that craziness that we literally just found like out of nowhere? But yeah, let me know what your favorite item was. Are you shopping on Temu? If you are, go ahead and like send me a couple of your links because I'm more interested in buying more stuff. I have another couple hauls coming on Temu. They're actually on their way, and it's gonna be mostly shoes, and I'm so excited for that. So tune into that. Thank you so much for coming. My name was Sally. If you haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. I'm trying to do this thing where I hit 3,000 subscribers before my 3rd year here on YouTube, which is in November. So if you can, go ahead and subscribe for more content like this. We do a lot of unboxings on this channel, a lot of hauls, and if you like that stuff, go ahead and subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you do. Like this video, it really does help out my channel so much. If you do give us a like, it pushes it out to YouTube, and click on that little notification bell before we leave, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.